Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to restrict a user in the Instagram app on iPhone. So if you want to restrict a user, instead of blocking the user on your Instagram account from seeing your post, from interacting or engaging with your post, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to restrict a user in the Instagram app, all you need to do is go ahead and open the Instagram app. Click on your profile icon at the bottom right. Now select either followers or following. On the page, scroll down the follower page or the following page and select the user you want to restrict. Once you selected the user you want to restrict, click on messages. Now click on the profile name. Once you click on the profile name, go ahead and click on privacy and safety. Then scroll down to who can reach you and click on restrict. Once you click on restrict, you see the menu pop. On the menu, you should see that says need a break from the user. Now to restrict the user, just go ahead and click on restrict. Instagram will not block this particular user. Rather, Instagram will block the user access to your update on Instagram. So that is basically how to restrict a user in the Instagram app on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.